Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat by Emerson. It's got a touchscreen color display which is programmable, as well as Wi-Fi connectivity to a mobile app. Okay, Simba. Simba wants to introduce the product to you guys, so. Okay, hold on. I have to do this, Simba. Okay, alright, here's some pets. This is the box that it comes in. And so let's go ahead and open it. Looks like we've got the owner's manual here, and then the thermostat, the back panel open here. This one does require a C wire, so if you do not have one, you may need to purchase a C wire for this one. So it's got the screws in here, and then a back panel to attach it with a leveler here, so you can see how level it is. And so that's kind of what the box contents are here. So this also integrates with Amazon Alexa, the Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and SmartThings smart home platforms. So it's able to help you. So once we open this, we'll see that it comes with the wire labels here, which is convenient. The card here says that there is I guess it's an app called Sensi Manager, and allows you to manage hundreds of thermostats from a single dashboard. Interesting. And here's the installation guide that it comes with. Before you begin the full installation process, you can go to the App Store and download the Sensi app, which is going to allow you to walk you through the whole setup process. You select the type of thermostat you have, and you just go through the options, and tells you what tools you need as well. So you can see that all the wires are exposed, but make sure that the power to your heater and cooler are turned off from the main switch. So right now this is just running on battery power. As you can see, there's batteries here, but the power to the main unit is shut off. So what you're gonna do, you'll see a bunch of wires here, different colors. Usually the blue one is your common wire. That's usually the one that's going to power your smart thermostat. And then you have these other wires that go into their respective sockets, and they're labeled here, W for white, R for red, and then you see the G for green and Y for yellow. So we're going to remove those, but before we do so, we're going to remove the screws that are already in place. Okay, so next we're going to prop up our sub base to the wall. A cool feature of this mount is that it has a built-in light. So if there's a switch here, if you flip it up, it turns on a light so you can see these holes better for each wire inlet. So we have our labeled wires here. We go ahead and push them in. Okay, so the blue wire, which is a common wire, which is going to give power to our unit. The tip of it is not stripped, so I'm going to use this tool to strip the tip. So now that all of our wires are appropriately placed, we can go ahead and turn off the light. Tighten this unit a little bit more. Okay, now that everything is appropriately done, so we can go ahead and pop our unit in. So after connecting the main unit to the sub base and turning on the main power to the heater cooler, now the display is on and I can set it up as I please. Next step is to go to the app and actually set everything up with the Wi-Fi. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to purchase one of your own for your own home and have the convenience of being able to control your temperature remotely with the Wi-Fi and the app, you can go ahead and follow the link in the description below to get one of your own. Thank you for watching.